Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to make a virgin mojito mocktail. First, let's gather our essential ingredients and tools. You'll need about 10 to 12 fresh mint leaves, 1 whole lime, and 2 teaspoons of granulated sugar. For the fizz, have 1 cup of club soda or sparkling water on hand. Don't forget a generous amount of ice cubes, a muddler, and a tall glass. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable, ensuring a delicious result. Now, let's get those wonderful flavors mingling. Start by placing your 10 to 12 fresh mint leaves into the bottom of your tall glass. Next, add 2 teaspoons of granulated sugar right on top of the mint. Then, squeeze the fresh juice from 1/2 of your lime into the glass. Using your muddler, gently press and twist the ingredients together. The goal is to release the mint's aromatic oils without tearing the leaves, creating a fragrant base for your mocktail. With our flavorful base ready, it's time to chill things down. Fill your glass generously with ice cubes, almost to the very top. The more ice, the colder and more refreshing your mocktail will be. Next, take the remaining half of your lime and slice it into several thin wedges or wheels. Add a few of these fresh lime pieces directly into the glass with the ice. This not only adds more zesty lime flavor, but also makes your virgin mojito look absolutely inviting and professional. Finally, let's complete our delicious virgin mojito. Carefully pour 1 cup of club soda or sparkling water over the ice and the muddled mixture in your glass. Give everything a gentle stir to ensure all the flavors are well combined and distributed throughout the drink. For that perfect finishing touch, garnish your mocktail with a fresh sprig of mint. Serve your beautifully crafted virgin mojito immediately and enjoy the crisp, refreshing taste you've just created. Cheers to a delightful, alcohol-free treat.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.